Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is simple, slow, and fun. I'm Sophia, your English learning friend. Today, I'll share my daily routine with you. You'll hear easy English sentences you can use every day. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow and repeat after me. Let's begin. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. The house is quiet and the sun is rising. I stretch my arms, take a deep breath, and say to myself, it's a new day. Then, I go to the kitchen and make a warm cup of coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel fresh and ready. I sit near the window, sometimes planning my day, sometimes just enjoying the peaceful moment. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make a cup of coffee. I sit near the window. After coffee, I prepare breakfast. Most mornings, I eat eggs, bread, and fruit. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. If my family is awake, we eat together and talk about our plans. I really enjoy these small, happy moments. After breakfast, I open my laptop. I check my emails, and then I prepare lessons for my students. Sometimes, I record videos for Mr. English Podcast. Other times, I write notes and new ideas for future episodes. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast. I check my emails. I prepare lessons. In the afternoon, I usually take a short walk outside. Fresh air helps me feel calm and relaxed. I sometimes buy groceries, vegetables, bread, or milk. When I come back, I cook lunch. I like simple food like rice, salad, or soup. While eating, I often listen to music or read a book in English. It's a nice way to relax and keep learning. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We eat dinner together, talk about our day, and sometimes watch a movie. These moments make me feel grateful. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and get ready for tomorrow. Then, I take a little time for myself. I read, study, or simply relax with a cup of tea. At 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and write down my plan for the next day. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. Repeat after me. I eat dinner with my family. I drink tea in the evening. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. This was my daily routine. I hope you learned some useful English sentences today. Try to use them in your daily life. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. English Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next one, and remember, every day is a good day to learn English. Bye for now.